especially in the smart TV area. That means the luxury TVs. We have a market share of more than 40% value-wise. This is according to the reports of the sell-out of our biggest customers.
How many applications can be fitted into the TV?
The TV itself has space for 100 different applications. There are several thousand applications available today, and what we will pursue with full commitment is to have also Slovenian local applications. We are almost finalizing one of these applications, but for the moment I cannot reveal it. I just can say it has to do with some television catch-up service, which is one of the most popular apps anyway on a smart TV, where you can watch the program at any time you want, and this should be a Slovenian local app which we're working on.
Which applications would you say are the most used on your smart TVs?
Well, this is a very, very interesting question, because this shows you the local taste. First, I would like to start with one of the most popular apps in Italy. It's the one called How to Tie Your Tie. So typically, as one might say, in Italy there is an app popular which has to do with fashion. One of the most popular apps in Austria is obviously a news service, a local news service, but also a web radio application which is called VTuner. So many people are enjoying this app because with that you can access hundreds of radio stations and stream it through your television.
Why do you think, why would someone listen the radio, why would someone access Facebook profile over the TV?
Well, it's an option you have. So if you imagine that you have a living room and you only have a minimum equipment in this living room, maybe you don't want to have lots of different products, you only want one remote control and maybe an amplifier and the television, then it would be brilliant, because you don't need a separate device as a web radio. You can use the TV to do that. The TV can be switched to a power saving mode, so it uses almost no additional power, and it will just stream the web radio to your amplifier. So you can save one device. And that's, I think, one of the key reasons why people are doing that. When with the social services, people would like to be connected even when they are at home and when they are watching television. So they would like to see the status updates. And it's very, very simple to log in, and just to be online, you don't need to watch and check out different devices at the same time.
What about customers who bought a TV set without smart TV functionality?
For these customers, we have a simple way to upgrade. With most of our Blu-ray players or home theater systems, they have actually the same smart hub built in. So if you add that at a cost of maybe 200 euros and up, then you can have a fantastic Blu-ray player playing 3D contents, everything state of the art, and you get the smart access as well. The interesting thing, actually we demonstrated that even at the last IFA in Berlin. We used such a modern Blu-ray player and we upgraded a very, very old CRT TV. So actually this was a product which is 15 years old. You can upgrade any television that you want.